There we go.
So, here's guys.
This is about the third time I've tried to switch the camera on and it's just switched itself
already
off.
boiled, this one.
So there we go.
You can remove some of the oils. The oils.
The floating oil on top, just remove it.
Yeah.
So what's that, Mel? What is it?
Fish sauce.
Oh, it's fish sauce, and you put that in here?
Yeah.
Well, you've not mentioned the fish sauce.
Not yet. Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. It's up to you.
You can put a salt as well.
Right.
Only salt. You can.
So with them two, you can either put them in or not put them in.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put now.
What about this here?
This one.
What about the malunggay?
Later, when it's already cooked. So you don't need to put this. So it's gonna be shaggy.
It's gonna be shaggy.
Shaggy. What's it called? Shaggy. Like the price. What's it called?
I haven't got a clue what you mean. My mind just went in the gutter when you said that. What?
It's
shriveled.
Yeah, what's shriveled?
Shriveled when it goes all crinkly.
Yeah, like that.
Right.
So I'm gonna put the nor cubes na here.
So what about this then?
Later. You know what? You're the one cook.
What are we asking you? Right, do you want me to cook it then? Okay.
No, you're not good cooking.
How do you know I'm not a good cook?
You don't know how to cook. The only thing you know is to eat, right?
Eat? I know how to eat?
Just to eat.
You sound like you're Russian when you say that.
So I put salt na here.
How much salt? That will have a look.
Just put a little by little, guys.
Should you be
so you get
using your fingers? Have you washed your hands?
Yes, of course. Make sure you wash your hands before you cook.
Yeah.
Just put a little by little.
Little by little.
Just make it so it's just
So you put in fish sauce, is it?
Sauce.
Oh, that's a little, isn't it? So that'd be about a tablespoon, I would imagine there.
And then you
See, they understand teaspoons and tablespoons, babe.
But you can add more if
so you just keep tasting it, and it depends if you're not satisfied. Put a bit more in.
Yes. So
when it's cooked, guys, the chicken just falls off the bone. It's lovely.
I know it's if you can boil the chicken like
before
15 minutes to make it very.
So you could have a separate pan with the chicken boiling, and when it's boiled, put it in there to boil again.
No, you can boil here long, like around 15 minutes.
All right, boil, just let it.
But boil much the chicken.
Right.
Make it nice.
What about cook the chicken then put it in? Would that taste better? If you actually like grilled the chicken.
It's better if you mix the chicken to the ingredients. To
right.
Make it,
Okay.
Make it
See, what do I know? But I'm only asking because there's lots of guys out there stupid as I am.
We're gonna boil again the chicken around 15 minutes.
Another 15 minutes. So I've got to stand with the camera for 15 minutes.
No, you can switch off.
So when does the malunggay go in?
When it's ready to cook, so you can put that up.
So
because you don't need to cook.
When it's ready to eat, you mean?
Yeah. When it's ready to eat.
Alright, okay. Eat.
After boil, you can put that.
Okay,
but
so
this is after when it's boiled. I'm gonna put here.
Yeah, because that's very hard though. So you're gonna have to boil it again, aren't you, with that for another 15 minutes? Oh my God. Okay. Okay, let's have a look.
Let's taste if it's enough.
Let's have a look. That's outrageous. Well, I should have been first. That's very rude. You're blowing it. And then you're drinking it, so you were actually tasting first. Is that what you're saying? Oh, you're having some more. That wasn't enough to.
It's yours.
Oh, this is mine.
For me, it's enough now. You don't need to add condiments. Oh, it's not hot. You can drink now.
Oh, it's really nice, guys. That really nice soup with it.
So we're gonna put this.
You're gonna put that in there.
It's so sayuti.
Now, what Mel normally does, and a family when they eat this, is they eat it with rice.
Yes, it's yummy.
I know you'll all be shocked to hear that, but eat it with rice. But what do you do? What do you do with me when you make
But
it?
Chris, if he wants to eat this, just only this one. There's nothing. There's no rice.
No,
That's
I won't. I won't eat the rice. I
That's
don't.
what I make to you. It's not enough.
Not really, no. But I enjoy the green, whatever it's called.
Sayote.
Yeah, I enjoy that, and I don't want to die of diabetes.
So let's cook again around 10 minutes. But you can check, guys, if it's this one. Is it soft now?
Yeah, it's got to be soft.
Yeah.
And then once that's soft, it's ready. Yeah.
It's ready now. Yeah.
There you go.
See you later.
See you later, Gator.
Smell nice.
Oh my God, are we nearly ready? Because I'm really hungry now. This is going on
It's
forever.
ready now. I will check if it's soft. This one. Don't overcook this, guys, the sayote, because it's not good if it's uncooked.
Very soft.
Yeah. Can you try this? If it's
What about them putting some?
ready na?
Mm.
I forgot, guys, to put a pepper. I'm gonna put pepper there.
You forgot the pepper, did you?
Yeah.
I thought there was something missing. No, I didn't really. It was still nice.
Just ready. Yeah,
So what about putting, say, some carrot in or some cabbage, adding a bit of veg that you like,
because
just to thicken it up a bit.
Because this one is the main ingredients for tinola. Because what your suggestion is a rubbish.
That's outrageous talk.
But you're the one gonna eat, right? So you can put as long as you want.
So ask a question. It's rubbish. You know what you're getting now, don't you?
This is the main ingredients. You don't need to put a cabbage, carrots.
Yeah, but what if well, I am a big guy, but what if I'm a bigger guy than I am? What if there's a bigger guy than I am
But if you're the one,
that doesn't want rice?
it's alright because you're the one gonna
Yeah,
eat.
but that's not going to fill me up
Yeah,
because I'll go straight for the main ingredients, which is the
exactly.
chicken,
So it's ready to eat, Naga.
and nobody will get anything. So what can I say?
That's why you did that food, because you did not eat rice.
It's
But
ready.
when you-
It's ready to eat.
Yeah.
Well, I
yeah.
thought you were putting the malungai in it.
Yeah, you can put. I will wash again.
She's already washed it, by the way, guys. She's doing it again.
So you can put that chang to make it more healthy.
Yeah, malungai
You
is
don't
great.
need to cook this when it's ready.
No,
You can
don't
cook.
forget, guys. The malungai. What I do every day is I put it in my bullet. Where is it? Where's the? It's not here. Where's the?
What?
Doesn't matter. I put it in my bullet blender. I put an apple in with it, fill it with water, mix it, and then drink it. And it makes you feel like you're on cloud nine after you've been taking it a few days. If you suffer from depression or you're a little bit moody sometimes like me, it stops all that. Trust me. Very nice. That adds a bit of colour to it, doesn't it?
Yeah. So it's ready to eat.
Eat.
Eat. Yeah.
Eat. It's ready to
It's
eat.
a healthy foods.
Right, so you're going to get your rice to eat it?
Of course, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Dito as well, right? Can I put that?
So there you go, guys. This is how
That's
Mal
it,
eats
guys.
it with her rice. I just can't eat rice like these eat rice. I don't know about you, but I just can't do it.
Look, to show your foods.
I mean, I've got some nice pieces of manok in there. I've got to eat with one hand, guys. Sorry about that.
So one man. Calm down.
Mmm. Oh, gorgeous. Now this, just to reiterate, guys, this is a really good healthy meal for you.
Yeah.
But obviously, the chicken is, as long as it's not fried. The chicken's good. This has been boiled. And
Don't forget, don't put
soup,
magic syrup.
yeah, no magic syrup in anything, guys. Honestly, it's bad.
Just put salt and then fish sauce. Good enough.
Yeah, and obviously the salt in moderation. And if you do that, everything's going to be great. So that's it, guys. This is, what's it called?
Tinolang manok.
What?
Tinolang manok.
Tinolang manok.
Yeah.
You're going to say that's not right then, weren't you?
Yeah, correct.
Right, it's over to you then, Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Hope you guys you'll
Enjoyed the video. Yeah, see you on the next one, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping